Hello everyone, myself Adit, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how can we build smart workflows with OpenClaw. Today most of the AI agents can only do one task at a time. Ask them to summarize a document, done. Ask them to send an email, done. But real world automation is never just one step. You might want to collect data, analyze it, generate a report and send it automatically. And then that's where the OpenClaw workflow come in. The main problem is a lot of developer build agent that can only perform single action. But in real application, a lot of developers build agent that can only perform single action. But in real application, you need pipelines of action, not isolated tasks. So let us understand how can we give multiple tasks to our OpenClaw and convert it into an workflow. So first of all, I will start my OpenClaw from the terminal. I have started my Olama server first, then the OpenClaw now. Just wait for my OpenClaw to start. Till then, I will like to tell you that what is workflow. Now, if I give you a correct definition of workflow, is that in OpenClaw, a workflow is simply a structured pipeline where the agent performs multiple steps in a sequence. Typically, a workflow contains an input task, agent reasoning, tool execution, result processing, and then a final output. Instead of solving one task, the agent follows a complete automation pipeline. Now I would like to execute an example workflow that I have generated using ChatGPT over here. So I would like to copy that prompt and paste it over here to generate the workflow, and let us wait for the output for us to work. Now till then I would like to proceed that instead of prompting the agent multiple times manually, we create a workflow pipeline for that. Now the agent will execute each step sequentially and passing the output of one step at a time. So let me understand what it is asking. So it is saying the Brave Search API is not configured, so it is using the browser to fetch the AI news from a news site instead. So no issue, it will do it by itself if any kind of this kind of error will occur. Till then, we can understand why it is so powerful. Once you start designing a workflows, your agent can automate entire processes, not just an individual task. You can generate agents that can generate research reports, monitor websites, processes documents, automate business workflows, create content pipelines, and the best part is you can only trigger the workflow once. If you once you have triggered, the next task will be done automatically without triggering it again and again and again. Let me tell you that a single task agent is useful, but an agent that follows a structured workflow becomes a real automation system. And I would like to tell you that remember one line that an agent become powerful when it follows a workflow, and it will become a liability if you have to continuously give task again and again and again by yourself. Just wait for the task to execute this workflow. It is executing the task, so we need to wait. We can check the over here as well that it is saying that the see, it is showing me the error that Chrome extension relay is running but no tab is connected. So we need to click the OpenClaw Chrome extension icon on a tab to attach it profile to Chrome. We need to attach our extension. So let's check that. Or let me modify our prompt so that it can better. Let me send this command again and modify our prompt so that we can understand a better. Let me till it is processing. I would like to tell you that if you are building with OpenClaw, start thinking in pipelines instead of prompts, because designing workflows, chain tools, and let your agent handle the entire automation process is much better than giving prompt again and again. In the next video, we will also explore how to build autonomous agent that can adapt their workflow dynamically without the user interference. So let's wait for the workflow to execute so that we can end this video. See, it has generated the short report over here, which we can see that new models which are going on in the AI, so in military AI, AI agent, security infrastructure, the top concerns as well. The full report, it is also showing me that the full report with 20 plus detailed items has been already saved in my workplace with the named as AI news report.md. So it has generated these 5 tasks in a single workflow without prompting me again and again. In this way, we can generate a simple workflow to also a dynamic workflow as well. Thank you.